Alright, sorry guys, I had to stop the video and now I'm continuing it after a few days. So where we ended off was Windows and E. So when you click Windows and E, this you open up the Windows Explorer window automatically. See, if I close it again and I just press Windows and E, it'll automatically open. I can just press it as much as I want and I'll just keep opening it. So it saves you time from going into clicking the Windows button and then going to documents or like whichever one you want here. It saves you time. Rather than doing that, just press Windows and E and you're already here. So that was Windows E. Now we're going into Windows plus R, which is the run box. So if I press Windows and R, you can see that the run box automatically comes here. Now if you're not too experienced with the computer and how everything works, the run box won't help you much, but those who know how to get around with the dialog boxes and the different commands on the computer, the run box is a very handy tool, and it's really easy to access this if you can just press Windows R rather than go all around and try to find it from here. So that's another shortcut. You press Windows and R and the run box pops up. Next one is Windows T. So it'll toggle you through the taskbar. So let's see, Windows T. So the first item in my taskbar is the Internet Explorer. That's what's open. Let me just open this too to show you guys. Okay, then the next item is Windows E. So I'll close everything. Now when I press Windows T, see, it's asking me, do you want to open Internet Explorer? I press Windows T again, it goes to the Windows Explorer, and you can see the small description box highlights there. Now if I press Windows T again, now it's Windows Media Player. Windows T again, sticky notes. So this helps you a lot if you have a lot of things open and you just have your keyboard and you want to go through what's in your taskbar. You just press it, hit enter, and you can open the one you want. So now it's there, Windows Media Player. Say I want to open this, I hit enter and Windows Media Player will open. You can see it's opening right now. So that's the Windows plus T shortcut. Next up is Windows U. So when you press Windows and U, this is what will happen. The Ease of Access Center will open up for you guys. So for anybody who might be in need of any of the functions within the Ease of Access Center, this is an important shortcut to have. You can always just hold Windows and E, and this will automatically open up for you guys. And then you can do different things. You can magnify, you can make the narrator read stuff to you rather than you read it on your by yourself. For those of maybe for somebody who might not be able to see properly, or so it helps out a lot. So that's Windows E. And after that is, sorry, that was Windows and U for Ease of Access Center. Now Windows P is, let's see, I'll show you guys. Windows P, and here, this is a projector settings. Anybody, if you guys go to school, or if you know that or businesses even, if you have to make a presentation, this shortcut comes in handy a lot. So all you have to do is just hold Windows and P. This box opens up. You just press Windows P again to go to the next one, Windows P again to go to the next one, Windows P again to go to the next one. So I'll just quickly go through this to show you guys what these are. So the first one, computer only. That means that your screen will only be shown to you on your screen only. The next one is duplicate. What duplicate does is, if you connect your computer to another monitor, a second monitor, then you can go to duplicate, so whatever's on your monitor will come up on the next monitor as well. The next one is extend. So extend is, say you have a desktop setup where you have two monitors right beside each other and you want the extra desktop space, you want to set it up on extend, so I can drag one file from this screen to the next screen so I can work more efficiently. Yeah, it's very common for anybody who has a high load workload setting, businesses, or even at home if you work on different files at the same time. And the last one is projector only. So this would come in handy if you're using a presentation or something. You want to hook this up to, you want to hook your laptop or computer up to a projector. You set it up to projector only, so that your screen, it won't show on your screen, it'll only come through the projector, so everybody could see it on the big screen. So that was Windows P. I'm just gonna go back and hit enter, computer only. Okay, so now the next shortcut I want to show you guys, this is a really good one, it helps out a lot. So let's say I have all of these files open. I have Windows Internet Explorer open, I'm doing my stuff here. I have sticky notes open, I guess, here. It's Windows Explorer as well. I'll open up all these things. So I have my screen's a jumble. I have a lot of things here, and I wanted to get something from my desktop. So what do? I press Windows and D, and automatically it'll take me all the way back to the desktop without any it'll automatically minimize everything on my desktop, and it'll take me back to my desktop screen, I guess. So let's just go, let me open this stuff again. The VM's running a little bit slow at the moment because this is my first time running it. So let's go Windows and D, and there we go, I'm back in my desktop again. So see, I have a bunch of stuff open. Windows D again, everything's back to the desktop. So that's Windows D. After that is Windows F. So say you want to search something on your computer, you don't know where it is, you go Windows and F, the search box will come up for you, and then you just want to find, maybe you want to find some file, let's see, .jpg file. I just hit enter, and it'll give me all the JPG files on my computer. This is very helpful as well, especially if your computer has a lot of files everywhere, you don't know where you might have kept it. You just press Windows F, type in what you're looking for, and it'll search through your computer for that. And then finally, we're going to use Windows L, which is the shortcut to log out of your computer. So if I press Windows L, and it logged me out of the computer VM, I guess, right? So the password was that. So there, that was the last keyboard shortcut I have for you guys for today. There's many more to come. I know there's a lot of keyboards shortcuts out there that help people in various different ways, but today I just want to show you guys the shortcuts associated with the Windows key only. So I hope this video guide helped you, and I hope you guys subscribe. I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching. Take care, guys.